Now, next topic is your backward sloping supply curve. Now, this topic is very important for your exams. Now, question arises, what is backward sloping supply curve? So, backward sloping supply curve is a case of labor supply. It is a case of labor supply. It is a case of labor supply where he will work more, so he will get more wages. The more he works, the more he gets wages, right? So, in this, what is the case? The case is, suppose wages is given 50 rupees, 100 rupees, 150 and 200. So, hours of labor, you can see hours is given 2, 3, 5, 4. See, first, the more he is working, the more he is getting wages. His hours of working is increasing, he is getting more wages. But at a certain point, his hours of work will decrease. His hours of work will decrease, but also he is getting more wages. If his hours of working is decreasing, but he is getting more wages, that is the case of leisure hours. Because he will work more and he will work less and leisure more. He will work less and leisure more because he wants to rest. Right? If he is getting more wages at more hours, but at a certain point he will work less and he will get wages more. That is the case of backward slope. How it's made? See. X origin point. Suppose wages and hours of labor. Now, wages is 50, 100, 150, 200. 2, 3, 4, 5. Now you can see that first there is a direct relation between hours of work and wages. There is a direct relation between hours of work and wages. But after he is getting more wages, he is working less. That shows an inverse relation between his work and his wages, right? So first, when he is working of 1 hour, 2 hours, he is getting 50 wages. If he is getting working 2 hours, he is getting only 50 wages. If he is doing 3 hours of work, he is getting 100 wages, right? Then 150 pay he is getting at 5 hours of work, right? So this shows what? This is your direct relation. This is your direct relation. The direct relation with slope will be upward, right? Direct relation with slope will be upward. Then if he is getting more wages at less time, see his work, he is working less at 4 hours, but he is getting more wages. That shows inverse relation. So this is what? This is your backward sloping supply. Backward sloping supply curve shows that if he is getting more wages, he is working more. But at a certain point, he will work less and leisure more. Even he is getting more wages. So first there is a direct relationship which is showing upward sloping. Then at 200 he is working less hours. So there will be an inverse relation that shows downward sloping. So this is your backward sloping supply curve, which is a case of labor supply. Any doubt? Yes.